Yo, what's up guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JavaScript tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the rules for naming variables. Then we are going to have a look at constants. So let's get started. As always, let's create a new file and name it tutorial number 3, tutorial number 3.html. Let's create a simple HTML document. And I'm going to name it tutorial 3. Easy, right? And in the body, we're going to write script tags. And I'm going to actually get rid of this. So before starting, let me tell you that variables are also named as identifiers. And for naming identifiers or for naming variables, we have to follow some rules. And those rules are: number 1, names can contain letters, digits, underscores, or $sign. What do I mean by that is var, if I say my name, it can contain, so variable my name contains letters, right? So it can contain also digits, no problem. It can contain underscore, no problem. It can contain $sign, no problem. So this is $sign, no problem. It won't cause any problem. But you cannot start with a number. You can either start with a $sign or underscore or a letter. You cannot start with a number. And the second thing is that this var my name and the var my name are different things. So if you select my name, for example, let's say George, and my name Ali, and if I alert these, one of these, let's say my name, I have two of them, so I'll select first one, that is Ali, and I'm going to save this and run this, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it's Ali. And if I write the my name, which starts with capital letters, and save it, and then come in here and refresh it, as you can see, it says George. So it's case sensitive. It's case sensitive. And you cannot use the reserved word. Cannot use the reserved words. I mean, come on. We have something called constant, right? Constant or confirm or console. So I cannot say var console. It's incorrect. If I say var console, it is incorrect because a console is a reserved word. So all those reserved words like these, you cannot use these. I cannot say attribute or array or alert. I cannot say. For example, let me try. I'm going to say var alert equals our name. And in here, I'm going to say alert. Okay. And I'm going to save it, and I'm going to come and refresh this. It's not going to run. If I right click and go to inspect elements and go to console, it says alert is not a function at 3. So you're saying, he's saying that this is not a function. This alert is not a function, means it has to be a function. You're not using it as a function. Therefore, it is an error. Now, similar to variables, we have something called constants. What? Constants. And constants are basically similar to variables, that they are also data holders or containers that can hold data value. But the problem is they are constant. They cannot change. Let us suppose I have a constant called my, okay, for example, pi, and that equals 3.14, and we alert pi, right? We alert pi. So we say pi, and actually let me comment this out, and we save this, and we come here and try refreshing it. As you can see, it says pi 3.14. No problem, right? Now I change the value of pi. I say pi equals 3.15, and I alert it out. And now if I try and refresh this, or after I click OK and try and refresh this, it says 3.14. It doesn't say 3.15. And as you can see, it also shows me an error. So when there is an error, it shows the previous result. If you go to console, you will also see there is a problem assigned to constant variable. It basically means you tried to assign some variable to constant. You tried to change this value, so constant cannot be changed. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.